how to create realistic-looking colorful pebbles, rocks, and concrete stones in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start drawing a basic stone shape with the pen tool. You can fill the shape in any color you want to. Then, we're going to apply 3D in materials. If you don't have this, go to Window and select 3D and Materials. And with the fill selected, I'm going to apply Inflate. This will create the 3D volume we need for the realistic pebble or stone look. Once you click on the Inflate, you are going to see that we have some lights and shading appeared on the stone. This is going to be a top view look, so we don't use the rotation for the X, Y, and Z axes. I'm just going to leave them 0. And then we're going to apply the lightning. On the Lightning tab, you can arrange the light's position where it should cast on the stone. And you can change different parameters from here. Intensity, rotation, the height, and the softness of the amount of light cast on the stone. Now, the next thing we're going to apply is the material, so we go to Materials tab. There are a bunch of different materials predefined here. You can select any of them according to your liking. I'll go with this one, the spot concrete. If we zoom in, you can see I have the concrete material applied on the shape. And if you go to the main color, you can change the color of this pebble stone. So, this is basically done. You can create multiple different shapes by using the Inflate tab. You can create a realistic pebble stone look in any color you want. And you can apply different materials as well. This one is called concrete, but this doesn't look so good. You can also change the color from the main color. Once you create a couple of different stones, you can use them as a single object, or you can create seamless patterns for backgrounds, backdrops, or for different purposes.